So this hair, you all, I'm gonna be making a review. I did receive this unit I received from Gwyuzac store. I don't know if I did say it right, but I'll leave the name below. I did receive this hair from them, and this is a 13x4 frontal and transparent lace with plug and everything, and this length is a 10 inch. This hair is really soft. Like, I don't know if I need to straighten out this wig, because look at that. I don't think it needs to be straightened out. It's really soft. This is a processed human hair wig, and I will leave the name of the store in the description below in case you want to go try it out. So right now I'm gonna cut this off. Cut it off. Cut this off. That's the wig, the bob right there. I'm gonna cut this off. It also came with a lace at the back. I'm gonna cut that off. I went in to cut it off. I'm also gonna cut this lace off right now. Put that in my hair. I also forgot this. The density of this wig is 150. Yeah, 150. It comes in 150 density. One thing again I love about this hair, oh my god, is the baby hairs. See where my own baby hair stops? See that? I have a low edge line, and this is really good because it just covers it up. It just covers everything. Look at that. Look at that. You just see that? That's where my baby hair stops. And look at that wig. You will go try it. Go get this hair. You will definitely love it. I tell you what. Because look at that. The lace. The hair on the lace. I mean, it's really full. Oh, I freaking love it. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the lace off. I'm gonna cut it off right now. Cut off the lace. It's not that hard to do it. I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be glue and my Wonder Lace Eben New York Wonder Lace. I'm just gonna go in with this. I'm gonna go in with these two right here. These two, though it's not gonna give me an extra hold like when you use adhesive, because I'm not gonna be having it for a while the wig, so I'm gonna be taking it off. I recommend this if you are gonna take off your wig in a few days or so, a few weeks, depending. am done with this beautiful highlight bob wig, and it's not that hard to style. I just love the lace and how it comes with a bunch of baby hairs. You can see my own hair underneath the baby hairs and more. That's when you know your wig is really good, when it comes with enough baby hairs inside. It's so soft, and I didn't have to use a lot of heat on this hair. I just used my heat comb on it, because like I said, it's a processed human hair wig, and it was already slicky or slicky straight, whatever way you want to call it. The hair for the shading is less. I don't even think it did shade. The only shading it did was when I cut the front, and also when I combed it, just like, yeah, just a tiny bit of shading out there. It's really good. I do recommend this wig. I really don't know how to pronounce the name right, if I did get it right, but I will leave in the description below, like I said earlier. For now, I'll catch you on my next video, so bye.